everybody, I'm Lisa Lyon, the General Manager at Webstone, and we're here at AHR this year. I'm going to show you some of the new things that Webstone is working on for 2026. You'll be able to see these later on the year. If you come down to the booth today, you'll see them right now. So one of the core values at NIBCO and Webstone is continuous improvement. So we've taken a look at some of the products that we have for the domestic hot water market, namely our tankless water heater valves or our valves for the storage tank heaters. And they used to come with fittings that were pretty long, and we saw an opportunity to be able to change these out, and we're going to be able to save, and this is the example, this is the distance we're going to be able to save from the old fitting to the new style. You can kind of, I don't have a press one here, but either way, it's going to be about an inch on installation. We're going to move from a double O-ring press connection to a single O-ring press, so you're going to get that guaranteed to leak if left unpressed. We're also changing out the pressure relief valves that come with these kits so that they're always going to be lead-free. Kind of confines the line a little bit, so it makes it a little bit easier for people to select from. We're also launching a few new fittings to pair with our water heater service valves, so we can kind of make the brass variant to be the same as the dielectric variant. So we've got a new set of female by press fittings that will be sold alongside of this to build a little kit. So you've got something for your hot and then something also for your cold side of the tank. We're also introducing this year a new sediment filter. So this is designed to be able to go before sophisticated equipment like your water softener or your reverse osmosis system. This is designed to be a pre-filter for one of those. It's a spin down function, but what's the cool thing about it is that inside the top, it has all the multi-modes built right in. So you don't need any additional piping or valves to be able to put together that bypass. It's built right into the top of the mode. So with a quick turn, you can either bypass, you can filter, or you can flush the system. And when you get to the point where you do want to flush it, this feature here, little twist to clear, allows you to kind of agitate all of the debris that might have been collected on the side of the surface, so that when you do get into that flush mode, all of that stuff is nice and loose and will blast right out of the system. Last year we talked about our G series, which is an answer to try to get at the fact that we have so many more piping technologies today than we did 20 years ago. But the size of the supply house hasn't gotten any bigger, nor has the size of the truck. So in order to be able to answer to that need, we have to figure out to make each valve that's stocked do more. So we've come up with a G body. So this is a straight G male thread. So it is a gasket connection, right? And you start with the body that comes in 1 inch, inch and a half, and 2, and then you pair it with fittings to get all of your other sizes. So one valve, I think at this point with all of the selections that we have, easily makes over 250 combinations, and it might actually be north of 5 at this point. So you pair that valve with different fittings from the line, and you can make yourself a dielectric by carbon steel press product. You could make yourself a hose end ball valve. Any kind of thing that you possibly would need becomes a lot easier to fabricate on the fly. You keep it all in a nice storage box. You don't need to know what you're walking into for a pipe type or the pipe sizes. Everything is really covered for you. So just in ways that we are keeping to try to do new things every year, bring new innovations to the market, and help the contractors work smarter.